To change the page width in the Shopify Dawn theme, start by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard and navigating to the online store section. Click on Themes and then click on the three dots next to the Dawn theme, followed by Edit Code. In the code editor, locate the layout liquid file in the layout directory. Open this file and search for the container class that defines the page width. Typically, this class is named container or page width. Locate the CSS file that defines the styles for the container class. This is usually found in the assets directory and named theme.css or styles.css. Open the CSS file and search for the container class. To change the page width, modify the max width property of the container class. For example, to set the page width to 1200 pixels, update the max width property to 1200 px. Make sure to add the important keyword after the value to override any existing styles. After updating the max width property, click on Save to save the changes to the CSS file. Then, navigate back to the layout liquid file and click on Save to save the changes to the layout file. To verify the changes, preview your store by clicking on the Preview button in the top right corner of the code editor. This will open a new tab with a preview of your store, where you can see the updated page width. Best practice is to test your store on different devices and screen sizes to ensure the page width is responsive and works well on all devices. Additionally, consider using a consistent page width throughout your store to maintain a consistent design and user experience. By following these steps, you can easily change the page width in the Shopify Dawn theme and customize the design of your online store. Remember to always save your changes and test your store regularly to ensure a smooth and seamless user experience.